Welcome back to Frontline News. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. It's now time for Frontline Business. The National Insurance Fund, NIF, is projected to record a $13.2 billion surplus during the 2020-2021 fiscal year. However, this will be a decline from the $19.8 billion surplus estimated for the current fiscal year. The NIF's total income for the next fiscal year is expected to be $15.4 billion, down from $23.5 billion in 2019-2020. Unrealized gains on investment is set to decline by $5.3 billion to $8.5 billion. According to the recently tabled Public Bodies Report for 2020-2021, the NIF, which manages the investment portfolio created from the National Insurance Scheme NIS contributions, will focus on cash management. This will ensure that resources are readily available for participation in new investment and make payments as required by the NIS. The Bank of Jamaica projects that labor market conditions will improve over the next 8 quarters. It has forecast that the average unemployment rate over the March 2020 to December 2021 period will decline by 6.9% relative to 7.7% over the last year. The employed labor force is projected to increase at an average rate of 0.8% per quarter, while the labor force is projected to remain generally flat. The BOJ says the growth in employment is expected to provide a boost for wage increases, which may lay the basis for higher inflation in the future. Meanwhile, the Bank of Jamaica has announced plans to roll out a number of virtual and e-payment initiatives this year. Natalie Haynes, Deputy Governor of the BOJ, made the disclosure at the Central Bank's quarterly press briefing yesterday.
We are also investigating, again, another thing on schedule for this year is the whole digital currency as it relates to the central bank, as well as we are launching a national payment switch. Expressions of interest have been posted on our website, and what that seeks to do is to have interoperability between all payment platforms for retail payments in the country. And in addition, we are going to be launching our FinTech Sandbox guidelines. So all that is happening this year as it relates to virtual and e-payments.
In Friday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index advanced by 2,045 points to close at under 500,000 units. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 76 stocks, of which 43 advanced, 22 declined, and 11 traded firm. The junior market index declined by 49 points to close at just under 3,000 units. Stocks advanced for 138 Student Living, 138 Student Living Variable Preference, Access Financial Services, AMG Packaging and Paper, and CSE 2000. Stocks declined for Barita Investments, Berger Paints, Cargo Handlers, Caribbean Producers, and Derriman Trading. Trading firm were 1834 Investments, Caribbean Cement, Siboney Group, Fossrich Company, and iCreate Limited. Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares was the volume leader with 7.3 million units, followed by Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 5.4 million units, and Sagicor Select Funds Limited Manufacturing and Distribution with 1 million units. Now for the foreign exchange. Oil prices fell on Friday as weak Asian data and a rise in new coronavirus cases fueled uncertainty about the economic outlook, while leading crude producers appeared to be in no rush to curb output. Brent crude was down 24 cents to settle at $59.27 a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude dropped 25 cents to $53.63 a barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. Pleasant viewing.